So I got your question. You want to know how to solve this inequality. First thing you want to do is determine the LCD. We got 2s, 3, 5, and 10 here. You know, the LCD is 30. The smallest thing all the numbers will go into with the remainder 0. Then you multiply each term by 30. And 2 goes in 30 15 times, 3 goes in there 10 times, 5 goes in there 6 times, and let's see, 10 goes in there 3 times. Then you multiply here, you have 15 x's, 10 x's. Here you need to distribute a minus 6 very carefully. Be minus 6x, and minus 6 times 6 would be minus 36. Maintaining inequality here. 3 times 1 is 3. You combine these three x's here, we get 19x minus 36 less than or equal to 3. Add 36 to each side and divide by 19. We have the answer. Of course, we got to put it in interval notation. X is less than or equal to 39 over 19. And just give your answer in interval notation. Hope this helps.